Life is a journey of discovery. From the moment we take our first breath, we embark on a path filled with endless possibilities and countless experiences. Each day, we uncover new aspects of ourselves and the world around us. This journey is not just about the physical places we visit or the milestones we achieve, but also about the inner landscapes we explore. It is a continuous process of learning, growing, and evolving. Within each of us lies a spark of creation. This spark is the essence of who we are, a tiny yet powerful force that holds the potential to ignite great change. It is the source of our creativity, our passions, and our dreams. This spark is what drives us to seek out new experiences, to push the boundaries of what we know, and to strive for something greater. It is a reminder that we are all creators in our own right, capable of shaping our own destinies. This spark is our ability to intend, to dream, to desire. It is the driving force behind our aspirations and the fuel that propels us forward. When we tap into this spark, we unlock a wellspring of potential that can transform our lives in profound ways. Our intentions, dreams, and desires are the blueprints for the future we wish to create. They guide our actions, shape our decisions, and ultimately determine the course of our lives. It is the seed of our future, waiting to be nurtured. Just as a seed contains within it the potential to grow into a mighty tree, our intentions hold the promise of a future filled with endless possibilities. But like any seed, our intentions require care and attention to flourish. They need to be planted in fertile ground, watered with persistence, and nurtured with patience. Only then can they grow and bear fruit, transforming our dreams into reality. Intention is the act of consciously directing this spark, of choosing the direction of our lives. It is about taking control of our destiny and making deliberate choices that align with our deepest desires. When we set intentions, we are not merely hoping for a better future. We are actively creating it. We are taking the first step on a path that leads to the realization of our dreams. By setting clear and focused intentions, we can navigate the complexities of life with purpose and clarity. Intention is not merely wishful thinking. It is a powerful force that shapes our reality. It is the bridge between our inner world and the outer world, connecting our thoughts and desires with the actions we take. When we set an intention, we are making a commitment to ourselves and to the universe. We are declaring our willingness to do whatever it takes to bring our dreams to life. This commitment is what gives our intentions their power, transforming them from mere wishes into tangible realities. It is a powerful force that shapes our reality. Our intentions have the ability to influence the world around us in ways we may not fully understand. They can attract opportunities, draw people into our lives, and create circumstances that align with our desires. This is the magic of intention. It has the power to turn the invisible into the visible, to bring the intangible into the realm of the tangible. By harnessing this force, we can create a life that is truly aligned with our highest aspirations. When we set intentions, we plant seeds of possibility. Each intention is like a tiny seed, filled with the potential to grow into something magnificent. By setting clear and focused intentions, we are planting these seeds in the fertile soil of our minds and hearts. We are giving them the opportunity to take root and grow, to blossom into the reality we envision. This process requires faith and trust, as well as a willingness to let go of the outcome and allow the universe to work its magic. We open ourselves to a world of infinite potential. When we set intentions, we are opening the door to a universe of possibilities. We are inviting new experiences, opportunities, and people into our lives. We are expanding our horizons and allowing ourselves to dream bigger than ever before. This openness is what allows us to tap into the infinite potential that exists within us and around us. It is what enables us to create a life that is rich, fulfilling, and aligned with our true purpose. This is the transformative power of intention. It has the ability to change our lives in ways we never thought possible. By setting clear and focused intentions, we can harness this power to create the life we desire. We can transform our dreams into reality, our desires into achievements, and our intentions into tangible results. This is the magic of intention. It has the power to turn the ordinary into the extraordinary, to transform the mundane into the miraculous. By embracing this power, we can create a life that is truly aligned with our highest aspirations and deepest desires. Every intention begins with a desire. It is the spark that ignites the flame of our dreams, the whisper that calls us to explore the depths of our potential. Desire is the seed from which all great endeavors grow, the silent force that propels us forward even when the path is uncertain. What do you truly want to experience in your life? Is it the thrill of adventure, the serenity of peace, the warmth of love, or the satisfaction of achievement? Each of us harbors unique desires, shaped by our experiences, dreams, and aspirations. These desires are the compass that guides us, pointing us towards the life we are meant to live. What brings you joy, ignites your passion, fills you with purpose? Is it the laughter of loved ones, the pursuit of knowledge, the creation of art, or the act of helping others? Joy is the fuel that keeps our spirits alive, the light that shines through the darkest times. Passion is the fire that drives us to excel, to push beyond our limits, to achieve greatness. Purpose is the anchor that grounds us, giving our lives meaning and direction. These desires are not frivolous. They are the language of your soul. They are the expressions of your innermost self, the reflections of your true nature. When you listen to your desires, you are listening to the voice of your soul, the voice that knows what you need to be happy, fulfilled, and whole. Your desires are the keys to unlocking your potential, the map to your destiny. Your desires hold the blueprint for a life filled with meaning. They are the plans that your soul has laid out for you, the visions of what you can become. When you follow your desires, you are following the path that your soul has chosen for you, the path that leads to your highest good. Your desires are the guides that show you the way, the beacons that light your path. Embrace them, nurture them, and allow them to blossom. Just as a gardener tends to their plants, you must tend to your desires. Give them the attention and care they need to grow. Water them with your love, feed them with your passion, and protect them from the weeds of doubt and fear. When you nurture your desires, you allow them to flourish, to reach their full potential. When we align our intentions with our deepest desires, we tap into a powerful source of energy. This energy is the life force that flows through us, the power that drives us to achieve our goals. It is the energy of creation, the energy of manifestation. When we align our intentions with our desires, we become co-creators with the universe, working in harmony with the forces of nature to bring our dreams to life. This energy is the fuel that propels us towards our goals. It is the rocket that launches us into the stratosphere, the shooting star that lights up the night sky. With this energy, we can overcome any obstacle, achieve any goal, and realize any dream. It is the power that transforms our desires into reality, the force that turns our intentions into actions. Embrace your desires, align your intentions, and tap into this powerful source of energy. Let it propel you towards your goals and watch as your dreams come to life.